In this class I am going to explain class 12th mathematics chapter 7, from that exercise 7.2, the questions related to substitution method. In the substitution method, the main important thing in the integrand something must be taken as t. In the integrand something must be taken as t. What is that in the integrand? That when you take the t, the derivative of that something should be present in the integrand. Like if you see this size. See, if you see this question, 2x by 1 plus x square into dx should be integrated. In this one, something must be taken as t. I have taken 1 plus x square is equal to t, so that the derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So 2x is present here. So we are successful in taking substitution method in this first question. So 2x into dx is equal to dt. So how it is has come? So because I just take 1 plus x square is equal to t, so that I get 2x is equal to dt by dx. A dx, it is there right side dx, you get on the left side, then 2x into dx is equal to dt. Like that you can do it. So you can directly write that 1 plus x square is equal to t. Substitution method I am applying here. So 2x into dx is equal to dt. So first question it leads to like this. See, it will be like this. So as I took 1 plus x square which is in the denominator as t, it is 1 by t into 2x into dx is there, that will become dt. So log mod t, 1 by t integration is what? Log mod t plus c. So what is t means? 1 plus x square. Substitute it to 1 plus x square. So log modulus 1 plus x square plus c. In the same way, all the questions depends on what must be taken as t. So the point is very important point, how to do the question by taking t. That by taking t, that integration, that t, by taking something as t, that derivative must be present in the integrand, so that you will be successful. So dx ka factor, that derivative of that must be dx ka factor, that means it will be a multiple of dx. Like see once, in this one log x whole square by x, so which looks complex, you see, log x whole square looks complex. People will always try to take log x whole square as d, that is wrong. You just take log x as d, because what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x, which is present in this, right? Present in that 1 by x dx is dt, so that you can take log x as t and you can proceed the problem. You will get, so that you will get integration t square into dt will come, inka derivative is t cube by 3. It is easy. Similar way, so 1 by x plus x log x into dx. So for this question, take x common first. In the denominator x common, something log x as t if I take, before that I should take x common, so that 1 by x will come. 1 by x will be the derivative of log x, so that I can take log x as t. So it is 1 by x into 1 plus log x into dx. So 1 plus log x is equal to t. If you take, it is 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. So then what happened? The 1 plus log x in the denominator, so it becomes 1 by t into dt is equal to log mod t plus c. So log of 1 plus log x into plus c. So 1 plus log x is t, that's why substituted back. So same way the fourth question also, in that if you look at the question, what is sine into sine of cos x? So this sin x is the factor of dx. If I take this cos x as t, cos x derivative is minus sin x, so it is present here, so that you take cos x as t, minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. So the sin x into dx can be written as minus dt, so which is minus sin t dt. So minus, what is sin t integration? Minus cos t plus c, so it is cos of cos x plus c. Like that all the questions based on by taking t, what must be taken as t, that is important. Fifth question same way you can try yourself. Sixth question, it is, I say it is not substitution method question, directly you can take ax plus b whole power 1 by 2, apply x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. Ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 into a. Why into a has come? Because x coefficient, it is plus c. So final answer after simplification it will be like this. Similar way, see, it is x into root over x plus 2 into dx. So just take x plus 2 is equal to t, because this root is disturbing us. So take x plus 2 is equal to t. So x ka derivative dx, t ka derivative dt, 2 ka derivative 0, neglect it. So then I can substitute this x is there na, as t minus 2. Reason x plus 2 is t. Reason we have taken x plus 2 is equal to t na. That is the reason x will be what? T minus 2. Substitute it. So t minus 2 into root over x plus 2 is root t into dt. So multiply this one. I say you cannot integrate it because it should be in single terms to integrate. T root t minus 2 root t into dt. T into root t. What is t into root t means? T power 3 by 2, because t power 1 into t power 1 by 2. So t power 3 by 2 minus 2t power 1 by 2. So then apply the formula n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula, so that you will get. After that you should substitute what is x, what is t means, x plus 2, substitute it. After simplification the final answer will be like this. Check it properly. Okay, next, x into root over 1 plus 2x square into dx. For this 1 plus 2x square is equal to t you take. So that what will happen, because in the inside the root, see most of the question, if you notice or not notice, under the root whatever it is there, I am taking that as t. Something which looks complex or awkward, I am taking as t. So something which is not integrable directly, I am taking as t. Sometimes I am simplifying and I am taking as t. Most of the times I am taking denominator as t. So notice them. Okay, so 1 plus 2x square is under root, I am just taking t and I am trying. So 1 plus 2x square derivative is, what is the 1 plus 2x square derivative? 2 into 2x into dx is equal to dt. But here x is the factor of dx. So this 4 ka jaruri nahi. So 1 by 4 dt. So it is 1 by 4 integration root t into dt. So it is 1 by 4 root t integration is what? T power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. So finally your answer will come like this. So similar way, ninth question also you can try by taking x square plus x plus 1 which is under root as t, and before that you just take 2 common and write here, because when I take 4x plus 2 from 4x plus 2, when I take 2 common, it will be 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. So that what will happen, x square plus x plus 1 ka derivative is 2x plus 1 waha present. So then what will you do? 2 will be bahar, 2 will be outside. So it is root t into dt. So that 2 into t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So it is 2 into 2 by 3 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Let me explain the 10th question. See, this is very different. 1 by x minus root x into dx. If you look at the question, you will have to look at the question for long time. So only something must be done before integration. See, something must be taken common or some simplification must be done. So take root x common and see. So root x, when I take common inside root x minus 1, the derivative of root x minus 1 is 1 by 2 root x. So that 1 by root x is there here. So we are successful. So take root x minus 1 as t. 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. So 1 by root x into dx will be 2 dt. So it is 2 integration 1 by t dt. So 1 by t integration is log mod t. Substitute t as root x minus 1. So check it properly. So because such kind of questions are very important. The questions which need to be simplified, after simplification substitution, after substitution the question is done, right? So this kind of questions are very important. Try to remember. Yes, then 11th question. The 11th question is x by root over x plus 4. So what must be taken as t? Very clear. X plus 4, if you take it as t, then dx is equal to dt, because x derivative dx, t derivative dt. In such way you can think. Otherwise 1 is equal to dt by dx. This dx you can this side, you can get this side, dx is equal to dt. So this becomes finally you can write it as x as t minus 4 and root of x plus 4 as root t. Then after that splitting the fraction, t by root t minus 4 by root t, t by root t minus 4 by root t, which is root t minus 4 by root t into dt. So that after writing in the single exponent notation, you can apply x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula, so that you will get very easily this answer. Then after that what is there? 12th question. So here everywhere the important thing is what must be taken as t. So here x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 into dx. If you look at the only the question, if you see, this is the question. See, you can say that I can take x cube minus 1 as t, because it is complex and it is under 1 by 3, under the exponent of 1 by 3. So x cube minus 1 if I take as t, what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. But here what is there? X power 5. So to avoid that, this x power 5 write it as x cube into x square. So that 3x square na, x square will go in dx dt. Okay. So then what will happen? The very first write x power 5 as x cube into x square into dx. So then you take x cube minus 1 as t, then you get 3x square into dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. So then what will happen, it is 1 by 3 t power 1 by 3 into t plus 1 into dt, because x cube is equal to t plus 1 from this. So then if you multiply t power 1 by 3 with t plus 1, you get like this to the single exponent. Again, which formula you will apply? Again you will apply x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula and do the simplification, you get the required answer, right? So parallelly if you are doing, it is well and good. 13th question you can try yourself by taking 2 plus 3x cube is equal to t, because in the 13th question what is written here, see the textbook. In the 13th question, x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube, because in the denominator very complex thing is there, so only you take without cube is there, you take this as t, so that you get the answer. So you can try it. 13th question. 14th question, by taking log x is equal to t, you will get it. 14th question, what is given? 14th question is 1 by x into log x whole power m. Let me try. 1 by x into log x whole power m into dx. Na? Take log x is equal to t. So then what is log x derivative? 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. So that this question will be changing as, so 1 by x is dt, so log x is t, so you get integration 1 by t into dt, 1 by t power m into dt. So it can be written as integration of t power minus m into dt. So apply the formula n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. Uska baad substitute t is equal to log x, then you get the required answer. Same way the 15th question, what is the 15th question? It is given that x by 9 minus 4x square, x by 9 minus 4x square, to take the denominator as t. Take the denominator as t, 15th question. You get 16th question also same way, e power, it is not a, no, it is a direct question. 16th question, it is integration of e power 2x plus 3, e power 2x plus 3, which is dx. Answer is directly you can write e power 2x plus 3 by 2, x coefficient will be divided. That's all, because there is no substitution method also can be applied here, right or not? Next what? 16th okay, 17th also same. What must be taken as t means, it is take minus x square is equal to t, so that you get x square is equal to t, you take, then you get 2x into dx is equal to dt. So you get it as e power minus t into 1 by 2 dt. So e power minus t integration is e power minus t divided by minus 1, because it is t coefficient is minus 1, should be divided. 18th question same way, e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Look at the textbook, it is integration of e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. So you just take tan inverse x as t, then 1 by 1 plus x square yaha, so it will be dt. So it is 1 e power t will come, integration easily you can do. This question, before learning the 19th question, let me explain the one question which is 18th question. It's 20th question. What is the 20th question? Look at the textbook. Integration of 20th question, they have given us integration of, right, integration of e power 2x minus e power minus 2x by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into dx. Take the denominator as t. E power 2x plus e power minus 2x is equal to t. You will get e power 2x into 2 plus e power minus 2x into minus 2 into dx is equal to dt. So take 2 common, take it to the right side. E power 2x minus e power minus 2x into dx can come as 1 by 2 dt. So taking it to the right side of that, this can be written as 1 by 2 integration 1 by 2 dt, 1 by 2 dt. So it is 1 by 2 log mod t. That is the question number 20. So it is 2 mod. And 18th question is that, now 18th question, 19th question, see. For the 19th question, I say you cannot integrate by taking something. There some simplification is required by taking e power x common. When I take e power x common, it is e power x only. E power 2x becomes e power x. Since there is no e power x here, we have taken a common which is forcibly. So I should write e power minus x. So what is e power 2x minus 1 after taking common e power x? E power x into e power x minus e power minus x. Similarly, denominator also you take e power x common, it will come e power x plus e power minus x. So that after that denominator taking as t, you will get the required answer. Next question. 21st question, tan square of 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. First write it as identity secant square 2x minus 3 minus 1, because tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 you can apply. Then it is secant square integration is tan 2x minus 3 by 2x coefficient minus x1 integration plus c. Then what next? This is easy. Secant square 7 minus 4x is tan 7 minus 4x by minus 4 plus c. X coefficient is divided. 23, easy question. It is sin inverse x divided by root 1 minus x square. So sin inverse x is t. So you get 1 by root 1 minus x square into dx is equal to dt. Into dx is equal to dt. Hope you are getting. Next, 24th question. What is the 24th question? It is integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. So before you take denominator as t, take 2 common from that first. 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Check this 3 cos x plus 2 sin x derivative is the numerator or not. Check by taking t. 3 cos x derivative is minus 3 sin x. 2 sin x derivative is plus 2 cos x. Into dx is dt. So yes, it is present here. See, same thing is there. So it is 1 by 2, because this 2 is there, na? That 2 will be 1 by 2 into integration 1 by t dt. So 1 by t integration is log mod t plus c. So 1 by 2 t is what? Substitute it. Next question. 25th question, integration of 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square into dx. So it is 1 by cos square x, write as secant square x dx by 1 minus tan x whole square. So take 1 minus tan x is equal to t whole square. You should not take, only 1 minus tan x is t if you take. The derivative is 0 minus secant square x into dx dt. So secant square x dx is equal to minus dt. So this is replaced with minus dt. So because that's why minus is outside, into 1 by t square. So integrate t power minus 2 by using the formula n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. So my maximum questions based on n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. So 26th question is cos root x by root x into dx. Take root x is equal to t and try, because root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. So this 2 will be transferred to right side, so that you will get the answer by taking this as dt. Then answer will be, something will come. It is 2 integration cos t into dt. So cos t integration is sin t. T is root x. Okay. Next, 27th and 28th you can try yourself by taking some int is given. Sin 2x is t, 1 plus sin x is t. 29th question, integration of cot x into log sin x into dx. Take log sin x is equal to t, so that because it looks complex, so take that one as t and see the derivative of that. 1 by sin x into cos x kahan se come, because it is chain rule, into dx is equal to dt. Cos x by sin x is cot x into dx is equal to dt. So it will be t dt, because cot x is what goes under dt. So log sin x is t square by 2 plus c. So log sin x whole square by 2 plus c. So 30th question, 1 plus cos x is equal to t. Substitute that and say you can try it. Even 31st question also same way, you should take 1 plus cos x is equal to t, because the derivative of that denominator exists in the numerator. Okay. 32nd question, integration of 1 by 1 plus cot x into dx. So something must be taken as t, means if you see only this one you will not get here, because cot x derivative is minus cosecant square x, which is not present over there. So what to do means, what I should do, some sort of simplification is required. Write cot x as cos x by sin x, then check once. After that simplify and write sin x by sin x plus cos x. Total integrand will be changed like that. But the thing is, still sin x plus cos x, denominator is sin x plus cos x, unka derivative is not present here. Sin x plus cos x derivative is cos x minus sin x, still it is not present. For that reason what I do means, I just multiply 2 inside and 2 outside, divide outside 2, inside you multiply it. So then after that 2 sin x, write it as sin x plus cos x, sin x minus sin x, cos x. So that this sin x minus cos x is the derivative of the denominator, and sin x plus cos x is the denominator itself. Then you go for splitting of the fraction. Splitting of the fraction is one of the major topic here. Sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. Here it is 1. 1 ka integration is x. Done. Here it is sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. We will have to do some exercise on this to do integrate it. So take the denominator as t. When I take the denominator as t, what is the integration of that? Cos x minus sin x, because sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. But here cos x minus sin x, here sin x minus cos x. Carefully notice what we got, cos x minus sin x, but what we hear, sin x minus cos x. So the minus dt will come because negative sign change is there. So it is 1 by 2 1 by t into minus dt. So even though 1 by t integration is log mod t, minus is from here. Okay, so after that t substitute with sin x plus cos x, then the question has been done. This is the second time I am explaining the question. In the previous video also, in the live video, I explained integration. If you remember, integration of 1 by 1 plus tan x we did. Same model this is. This question may come for 4 marks, which is very important also. This is an important model. Try to remember. Next question. 33. The question is integration 1 by 1 minus tan x. How to do means you people know very well now. Writing tan x as sin x by cos x and simplification, dividing 2 and multiplying 2, then writing cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x, then splitting the fraction, then integrating. That is the process, like previous question only. Right, next 34th question. Look at this. Root over tan x by sin x into cos x into dx. If you take cos x as t, sin x dx is not there. If you take sin x as t, cos x dx is not there. If I take tan x as t, secant square x dx is not there. That means some sort of simplification is required for this question. What is that? See the denominator, what I am doing. In the denominator, divide cos x to sin x and multiply cos x to cos x. So that sin x by cos x into cos square x. What happened, I said in the third case, tan x is equal to t. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So dx ka sath secant square x jaruri. So what you do, 1 by cos square x, write it as secant square x. And that root tan x by tan x, because sin x by cos x is tan x. Now you are very free to take tan x as t. Tan x derivative is secant square x dx into dx is equal to dt. So substitute tan x is t and secant square x dx as dt. And root t by t, write into the single exponent as t power minus 1 by 2, then integrate by using the formula n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. 35th question, as I explained already, 1 plus log x is equal to t. You should take 1 plus log x is equal to t, because there is 1 plus log x whole square by x into dx. Denominator of x is there, means mostly it is log x related question, because log x derivative is 1 by x. 36th question, see, x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x into dx. See, it looks complex. So try to take this x plus log x as t and try differentiating. X derivative 1, log x derivative 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. So 1 plus 1 by x will be x plus 1 by x into dx, which is equal to dt, because simplification. 1 plus 1 by x, 1 by 1. So it is x plus 1 by x. You got it like this now? So what is x plus 1 by x is present here in the integrand. So that can be eliminated. See, this x plus 1 by x is present here, eliminated, and writing as dt, and x plus log x writing as t, so t square. So apply the formula, you get the answer. 37th looks like very big question, but it is a very easy question. It's a 2 marks or a 1 mark question only. So tan inverse x power 4 mostly looks complex. So take tan inverse x power 4 as t. Take tan inverse x power 4 as t. What happened? In differentiate on both sides, which is 1 by 1 plus x power 4 whole square into 4x cube chain rule. So some people forget chain rule. X power 4 derivative must be multiplied into 4x cube into dx dt. So because here only x cube and 1 plus x power 8 is there. So x cube and 1 plus x power 8 is jaruri. This 4 is there now. What is that? This 4 we send it to the right side, which is 1 by 4 dt. So what happened? It is 1 by 4 bahar nikalo. So it is sin t into dt. So minus 1 by 4 cos t plus c, because sin t ka derivative is minus cos t, that's why minus is there. Substitute that. T is what? Tan inverse x power 4. Using our inverse trigonometry knowledge, tan inverse x power 4 na, you can convert as cos inverse. Like cos inverse, tan inverse means opposite by tan inverse means what? Opposite by adjacent. Cos inverse means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 1, hypotenuse is root over 1 plus x power 8. You can do by right angle triangle. So then cos inverse and cos can cancel, and finally a simplified answer we can write here. So you can leave the answer here, you can write up to here as the answer. If they are not asking you to prove the question, you can leave here. Otherwise simplification is, if they are asking you to prove this one as the answer as this one, you should do simplification, right? 38th question. Numerator is looking complex, but numerator taking t is not work out here. So take x power 10 plus 10 power x as t and see the derivative, because x power 10 का derivative क्या 10x power 9, yeah, यहाँ present है, successful, semi successful. So 10 power x derivative क्या 10 power x log 10, यहाँ is there, it is also, because a power x derivative a power x log a. So finally we can say that denominator taking t will work out here. So then into dx will be dt, numerator into dx becomes dt, and 1 by t is that, 1 by t integration is log mod t, substitute what is t, then you get the required answer. 39th question, see the 39th question. What is the 39th question? Integration of dx by sin square x into cos square x. And see that if you feel the given question is an MCQ question, in the board exam they ask you as a 2-mark question also. So try to answer the MCQ questions also with detailed solution. Write one as sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x, and split the fraction. 1 by cos square x plus 1 by sin square x will come. What is 1 by cos square x? Secant square x. What is 1 by sin square x? Cosecant square x. Secant square x integration is tan x. Cosecant square x integration is minus cot x plus c. Finally done. So you can one of the option. Don't remember the options for the questions. You need to know the solutions for all the questions. And you will have to practice all the questions. One time is not enough. Many times you should practice. Take the reference books and do extra questions also. Even I am keeping extra questions in my notes also. Those questions I am giving with solutions, means that you should not copy as it is. And you take the questions, revise the solution, afterwards try to do without seeing. That's important. Thank you so much everyone.